The goal of this activity is to really work the legs and loosen up the hips. Here's what you're going to do. Get yourself a plate and a box. You want to be just in front of the box. And what you're going to do is you're going to slightly bend the knees, be nice and soft. You want to reach this plate to the ground. As you do so, you're going to shift your body so it's heavy towards the heels. Make sure your whole body goes, not just the hips, not just the uppers. So you're there. You're going to get a subtle tuck of the hips like that, and exhale. From here, keeping the foot, knee, and hip centered, you're going to push your knees forward and sit down to the box. That's going to occur during the inhale phase of the lift. So here, heel contact, tuck, exhale. Inhale down, exhale, come on up. You're going to rinse and repeat. I'm reaching to the ground the whole time. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.